Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit smooth velocity on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone. And then here, I'm just going to open up the project I have just created in CapCut. Okay, this is the project I have just created guys, and I'm going to open it. And of course, if you want to create velocity editing, we need music or song. So I'm just going to add music or song from CapCut library. I'm going to go to the audio and then select sounds, and I'm going to use the CapCut audio here. I'm going to go to the beat category. Wait, we can scroll all the way to the right until we find the beats menu. Okay, this one is my favorite. And then I'm just going to use one of the music or song from here. Wait, no. No, I'm not going to use that. Okay, I'm going to try this one. Okay, I think this is good. I'm going to add it to my project. All right, and wait guys, I'm just going to cut the audio to make the process faster. All right, and now it's time to add a velocity effect to our project. We can use auto velocity effect on CapCut to make our work more easier and of course faster. Okay, and then I'm just going to click on my video, and then we can click on the effect, select style, and go to the velocity, and then I'm just going to use this flash velocity. Or actually you can use another velocity, but it's premium. If you have subscribed to CapCut, you can use the other velocity effect, but for now I'm just going to use the free effect. Okay, and we just need to wait until 100%. It's almost done. Okay, and this is the result. I'm going to show you guys. Okay, and then after you have been satisfied with the result, you can save the video, and then you will be able to share it to your TikTok or maybe Instagram. It's up to you. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create smooth velocity editing on CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!